Hello, hello. What's up, you guys? It's Alana. Thanks for coming to hang out with me today. If you're new here, welcome. We're going to be doing something super fun, you guys. We're doing an unboxing today. I know. Not a normal thing for my channel unless it's opening planner stuff. This isn't planner stuff though, and I'm real stoked about it. I am going to be using this for my planners and author life, but it's new and it's awesome, and I'm really excited. So the box has already been opened because I had my husband open it up and make sure it wasn't smashed or destroyed from the best that he could tell without ruining my pretty paper and the little sticker that's on the outside to hold it shut. Because truth be told, I bought this beauty in January. I purchased it. It was on clearance and I had Christmas money, so I grabbed it up and I wanted to save it. I wanted to hang on to it until down the road and treat myself to it instead of just buying it to have it. I wanted to save it, make it special, give it a purpose, give it meaning, and then open it up. And the time has come, you guys. The time has come. So I am going to go ahead and take it out of the box because it is wrapped inside of here. I'm going to take it out. Look at that logo. And we're going to open it up together and take a look at it. And I will tell you how I intend to use this. Okay, so right off the bat, I'm sorry, there's going to be tissue paper noise and crinkling noise, but I love that. It's the sound of exciting things. So yes, this is something from Coach that I have had my eye on for 2 years, I think, and it finally went on clearance. So I'm not sure if it's available anymore because, like I said, I did get this in January to save it. But if there is any left anywhere, I will try to link it for you guys down below just in case you want to check it out or if you want one. I'm not affiliated with them or anything like that. Like I said, I bought this myself with Christmas money, but it's always so fun. You guys know I love Coach. I have Coach planner covers and other Coach bags. So I'm excited to add this beauty to my small collection, and also use it for planner / author life. Oh my gosh, you guys, I just noticed that there's little carriages on the tissue paper. Can you see that? It's like, oh wait, is that, no, I was gonna say maybe it's an imprint from being up against this, but it's all over. I don't know if you can see that. It's not easy to see, but oh my gosh. Okay. Oh wait, this sticker isn't stuck down, so I wonder if my husband was able to peel it up without... Oh, you guys. Okay, this is a magical moment. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be able to save this and put it in my journal. Look at that. Okay. All right, I'm ridiculous. Okay, let's go ahead and open up this beauty. Oh my gosh. Stars, you guys. Stars. I freaking love this. Okay. If you know me at all, if you've been hanging out with me for a while, you know I am obsessed with stars and everything space and celestial. So I love this so much. I've been eyeing this for a couple of years and I was so excited to see that it went on clearance so that I could snatch it up. So this top part up here is the embroidered, just like classic Coach fabric that they traditionally use. The bottom is leather and it has the little feet, whatever they're called, knobs, pegs in the bottom. And it has silver stars, you guys, and the silver Coach badge on the front. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. It has the magnetic clasp closure and the inside. So one of the other Coach bags that I have, the Hadley bag, has this same like plum inside color. Oh my gosh, I freaking love it so much. Then it has either two like clutch handles I don't know what they're called. Y'all, this is why I do planners. I'm not a bag reviewer. I'm not even a fashionable person. I just know what I like. So it has 2 clutch handles or a strap. Oh no, okay. And this is a fabric strap. So the clutch handles are leather. This is a fabric strap, and it has the loops on the side where you can put your strap. Okay, and then down inside of there, I mean, it like stands up square, or I guess rectangle. I love this so much. Oh my gosh. It has a zip pocket inside, which the strap is attached to. And then it has these 2 smaller pockets over on the side. So this is going to be my planner / author bag. This is so that I can take my planners with me, especially when I'm writing. If I'm writing out of the house, if I'm carrying it up and down the stairs. And I'm just so excited for it. You guys, I've been using a basic Stranger Things Redbubble just canvas tote bag for my writing and planner stuff for forever, which is fine. It's totally fine. I love it. My husband and kiddos got it for me for Christmas a few years ago. I'm obsessed with Stranger Things, so it was perfect for me. But I am really excited to level up a little bit. I am going to obviously take good care of this and not just like drag it anywhere. But I want to just take it on the go with me. We are going to be doing quite a few road trips together as a family this year, just local road trips. We have a lot of sightseeing to do in our own state, and I always love to bring my writing stuff with me. I get super inspired and super motivated when we're out on the road, and I'm just going to be sitting passenger princess style. No, just kidding. I'm not one of those either. I'm just going to be sitting there. So I want to have a cute bag to bring along my writing stuff and my planner stuff. And this is it. Y'all, it says $479.99. I did not pay anywhere close to that. This was, I think, $121 on clearance. And again, I hung on to it until I felt like I'd earned in my writing productivity to pull this out and actually use it. And I'm super stoked to have this bag for summer to take on our road trips, like I said. And if I write outside of the home, or if I plan at a coffee shop or something, which rarely happens, but maybe I'll do it, I'm going to take this beauty along with me. All right, so I want to see how some of my stuff fits in here. I have my Passion Planner Daily. This is also a Coach cover, my favorite one. I love it so much. And it's pretty chunky, but it's still holding my planner, and I freaking love it. So let's see. Okay. This is going to fit quite a bit of stuff, you guys. And then I have my 2 writing notebooks, a plotting notebook, and then one that is specific to a story. It's working. Oh my gosh. Okay. Pen pouch. Of course it's working, Alana. It's a bag. You can put stuff in your bag. Oh my gosh. Look at that. And there's room down the side. I could stick a water bottle and whatever's. I'm probably going to just carry it like this instead of using the strap. This is, oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. Have I said I'm excited? I'm excited. I love a good stationery item. I love a good like back to school item, even though I'm not going back to school. Oh, and this is my first author bag, you guys. This is my first big purchase since publishing a novel. That just dawned on me. Okay, cool. I'm excited about this. So now I just need to make plans to write another book, which I'm doing. So this bag is going to be my companion as I write another book. Okay, it's not going to close with all of those things in there. Yes, it is. Just kidding. Look at Coach. And this one is sticking out a little bit, but that's just because of the packaging. It'll shape back. Okay. Not that I need it to. I might just carry it around like this, you know? Okay. This is awesome. Don't worry, I'm not going to try to become a purse or bag reviewer. And I'm not going to be out here trying to be fashionable or cool. I'm sure that all the other Coach purse reviews up on YouTube are way cooler than mine, and they act normal and don't say excited a million times, but I'm freaking excited and I don't care. I'm really happy with this. I'm going to go and take all of these tags off. Oh, there's a cute little Coach little, this comes on all the bags, but I'm still always so happy with it. I love it. Sorry, I'm shaking the camera too. Okay. This was fun. I cannot wait to use this. I will like share pictures on Instagram if I use this, when I use this, where I use this. There's no if. I know that I will. I love it so much. I guess that's all, you guys. Thanks so much for hanging out with me for this unhinged unboxing. And I will see you in my next one. Tell your dog I said hi. Bye, guys.